Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to color grade on Capcut. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, click on the create new project, select your particular video where you want to edit the color. Okay, let me select this video, click add from the bottom right corner. Here it is, it's ready to be edited. Now click on the particular video. Now from the bottom option you'll be able to find the option adjust. Here it is, and from here you can easily color grade the video. Like you can just increase the brightness, increase the contrast, or you can also increase the saturation. Here you can also increase or decrease the exposure as well as sharpness. Then ACL means you can just increase the decrease the hue, saturation or luminance of that particular color. Like let me use the blue one, you will understand this like this. Okay, then you can use the graph is very important here to color grade. So if I just click on the green color and adjust it like that, you'll be able to see the green shade here. It will be used as a lot, or I can use the blue one if I want, like this. So after that you can also use the highlight option, or you can adjust the shadow if you want, then temperature. Then you can also use the fade effect. This is very cinematic effect. Then at last you can use the vignette effect like this. Okay, that's it. Now this is how it looks, and this is what it looked before. So you can see the difference. So this is how easily you can color grade on Capcut. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.